video, I'm going to show you my two-part formula that I call the 2Ps, the 2P, and how can you make use of it. Hi everyone, I'm excited today to talk about affiliate marketing and answer your questions today. Our question today is, what are the best offers to promote as an affiliate? Okay, now as an affiliate, it's essential to choose the right offers to promote to maximize profitability. Okay, and in this video, I'm going to show you my two-part formula that I call the 2P. Okay, it's essential to promote goods that and offers that align with your target's interests and needs. All right. So, what is the 2P and how can you make use of it? Now, the 2P, the first P stands for profitability. Okay, how much you'll earn from the product. Okay, the second P stands for predictability. How can you be able to make sure you earn money this month, next month, until the year ends, so that you can be able to forecast how much you can make money. Okay, now in this video we are going to break down exactly what kind of offers to promote and which ones make the most sense. Digital products. This can include ebooks, courses, and softwares. Okay, now they are easy to promote because they are downloadable and the commission rates are good enough. However, you want to promote low ticket offers and high ticket offers. Okay, low ticket offers are offers that have a low price value. Okay, we can assume, let's say, between $1 to $97 dollars. Okay, but you don't have to promote low ticket digital products alone. The beauty with them is that they are easy to sell. You can sell very many numbers because the cost of buying them is very low. However, the profit is a bit lower than the others. Okay, now with digital products, you also want to have high ticket offers. Okay, these are offers whose price range is high and is between, let's say, 100 USD to as high as maybe 1,000 and more. These are products that you should have within your offers. You need to have a variety. Okay, you don't have to concentrate only on low ticket offers, but you also have to look at high ticket offers. Okay, now the next category of offers, subscription services. Okay, with subscription services, we're talking about services such as web hosting, VPN, and many softwares that have a month-to-month payment. Okay, if you plug into such an affiliate offer, then you're able to make money monthly, as the person you signed up is still subscribed to that particular service. Those that align with the audience's interests and needs. Okay, digital products and also high-end digital products are amazing to promote. Now, if you want to learn how to promote digital products, I'm going to have a link in the description that can help you do just that. Very important for you to promote products that will serve the interest of your audience, but also make you enough money to live on. Okay, always remember what I talked about. Use the 2P formula. Okay, how profitable the offer is, and then how predictable that particular offer is. Now, in the description, I'll be providing with you all this that can help you learn how to promote digital products and also subscription products, and also include some of the products that I personally promote to make money online. If you found this helpful, click the like button and subscribe to this channel, and another video answering a question about affiliate marketing and making money online. See you in the next video.